Hi guys, today we're gonna open another box. Okay, so I feel lucky today. So I think we're gonna get a cool one. I really want the Ferrari, the orange one. I really like this one so much. I feel lucky today. So let's see what we get. But first, let's review the cards that we have. We have the Williams. We have this one that looks like the 2K Lego Drive. And we have Academy. I don't know. I think it's Academy. So let's open this thing. Ooh, I got better at opening it. Wait, what did I got? Yay! We got the orange one. Told you I feel lucky today, but we didn't got the Ferrari. But I really wanted the orange one too. Okay. Yay! Instructions, please. Got the orange one. It's I don't know this word, but the way it's so cool. Look at the orange thing. I never seen. It's like red or orange. It's red and orange. I don't know, and it's so cool. I love the black and the orange combined. I think this is my first one and this is my second one. Sorry. Actually, I think this is my second one. It's so cool. Look at that, the wheels. And it has only black and orange. It has a little bit of silver here, but I really like it. Should I do a part 5?